To link Credit Karma to Robinhood, start by opening the Credit Karma app on your device. If you don't have an account, create one by following the sign-up process. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Credit Karma dashboard and look for the Link to External Accounts option. This option is usually found in the Profile or Settings section. Click on it and select Robinhood from the list of available financial institutions. You will be redirected to the Robinhood website where you will be asked to log into your Robinhood account. Enter your Robinhood username and password to authenticate the connection. You may also be asked to authorize Credit Karma to access your Robinhood account information. Review the terms and conditions. Then click Authorize to complete the connection. After linking your accounts, Credit Karma will be able to access your Robinhood transaction history and investment portfolio. This will allow you to view your Credit Karma credit score and Robinhood investment accounts in one place, making it easier to manage your finances and track your investments. It is essential to ensure that you are using the correct login credentials for both Credit Karma and Robinhood to avoid any issues with the linking process. Additionally, be aware that linking your accounts will give Credit Karma access to your Robinhood account information, so make sure you understand the terms and conditions before authorizing the connection. By linking Credit Karma to Robinhood, you can get a more comprehensive view of your financial situation and make more informed decisions about your investments and credit. This connection also enables Credit Karma to provide you with more personalized recommendations and alerts to help you improve your financial health. Remember to regularly review your account connections and update your login credentials as needed to maintain the security of your accounts. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully link Credit Karma to Robinhood and start enjoying the benefits of a more integrated financial management system.